Hi everyone, I'm Isabella Mazzarolo and I am super excited to be presenting a course for the Voice Study Centre on empowering teachers to manage music performance anxiety within teaching studios. The course is next Tuesday, the 11th of February at 10 a.m. UK time. Now for me, that's going to be at 9 p.m. Sydney time. That is past my bedtime. But it is okay. I am really looking forward to this course and I'm really keen to share my insights with you because I have read and researched so much about performance anxiety and I found loads of effective strategies that are out there. But what I have found is missing is that we haven't really been translating these strategies into the teaching studio. And as a piano teacher myself, I've always been curious about how I can help my students with performance anxiety. And so that's what we're going to be doing in this workshop. We'll go through some techniques like visualization, breathing techniques, some cognitive techniques as well, and we'll look at how we can apply these into the teaching studio. So it's next Tuesday, the 11th of February at 10 a.m. UK time, and I hope to see you there.